Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get and use the boar head in Windrose. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just keep killing the boars, especially savage boars, cause chances of them dropping the head is higher compared to normal boars, although in my case just the normal boar dropped the head. So basically that's the process. Just keep killing the boars and after some point you'll eventually get the boar head. Now the point is how you can use that boar head. So just get into the build mode, hit right click. If you get into decoration tab, you will see that we can use the boar head as a trophy. So you can just select this boar head trophy and put it anywhere you want. So this will just take you one boar head along with 5 pieces of wood, and you'll able to put this on any wall you have. Okay, but personally I would like to put this on some kind of, basically you can say, pillar. So we can just make that pillar. Let me show you. Firstly, you can just, as I said, put this on any wall you like. Let me show you. Okay, just like this you will able to put it on the wall, but personally, as I said, I would like to put that on some kind of pillar. So for that, let me just get into the build mode. What we're gonna do, we'll just make the pillar like this. Okay, and on this pillar we're gonna add a wall, this one, and now we can just put the trophy on this pillar just like this. And yep, there you go, it's now looking sick. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to get boar head and use the boar head in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.